The tarmac is a welcome sight after another long mission over northern Iraq. The RAF Tornadoes are guiding this operation, but the Defence Secretary confirmed that British reconnaissance has gone much further.
I can confirm today that we have deployed Rivet Joint, our very latest surveillance aircraft, the successor to Nimrod, to give us a much better picture and more intelligence and analysis of what is happening on the ground, which will help the Iraqi government and the Kurdish forces and the Americans understand what needs to be done to halt the advance of ISIL.
The Rivet Joint offers a different level of surveillance and, importantly, analysis. They've been working alongside the Tornadoes. Their focus has been the gathering of information and images.
When we're airborne, there's a large package of aircraft with a broad spectrum of capabilities, and they all link together intricately to provide the right answer at the end of the day. Now, that might be a picture, it might be a piece of information, it might be yes or no to a question. But we work together, and so to have any other capability out there provides a much better product.
The aid mission is continuing apace. A production line packing shelters, solar lanterns and water purifiers. Only once this week has one of the drops been forced to abort.
I've got to make sure that the drop zones are clear immediately prior to the drop, and to do so I'm able to have eyes on those drop zones immediately prior to that happening. And in doing so, if there's any suggestion there might be personnel in the drop zone, then as I did a few nights ago, I will cancel that drop and we'll go back again the next night and try again.
As well as saving lives, they're minimising the risk to their own teams.
There is still no time frame on this mission. Nobody has set an end date. But you only have to look at the amount of aid gathered here now in Cyprus to realise that if it is needed, there is much more here ready to be sent over.
The British effort has already made a big difference in northern Iraq. They are part of an international response, but the UK's armed forces are ready to deploy in whichever direction this mission takes next. Tom Parmenter, Sky News, RAF Akrotiri.